Well, lawmakers also took up a bill today aimed at making sure homeowners have the insurance they need to rebuild after disaster strikes. The bill was brought in response to the Marshall fire. 85% of those who lost their homes in the fire were underinsured. Political specialist Sean Boyd's been covering this issue for us for a while. Joins us tonight at the Capitol. And Sean, this fire certainly a wake-up call for everybody.
And most of us don't know how much it would cost to rebuild our home. We rely on our insurers to tell us, but as Marshall fire victims learned, insurance estimates can be off by hundreds of thousands of dollars, which is why some lawmakers have introduced a bill aimed at making sure homeowners have the information they need to decide how much coverage they need.
We weren't home when the fire happened, so we didn't have a chance to get anything.
Wendy Weiss among the more than 1,000 homeowners who lost everything they owned in the Marshall fire. She had just bought her house 9 months before the fire, insuring it for more than she paid for it. And yet she says her policy will only cover about a third of the cost to rebuild.
That fire happened. We've lost more than half our net worth. And we don't have the means to come up with this money. People that are underinsured, they're going out, they're asking family, friends for money, they're getting the SBA loan, GoFundMes. We shouldn't have to. You know, we all bought insurance with the intention that this was going to cover us.
Colorado Insurance Commissioner Mike Conway says the Marshall fire victims aren't alone.
We've had a pervasive underinsurance problem both in this state and throughout the country.
A bill by Representatives Judy Amabile and Kyle Brown aims to change that. It would require insurers offer homeowners additional protection, including extended replacement, which provides 50% additional coverage, Inflation Guard, which adjusts coverage to inflation upon renewal, and Building Code Upgrade, which provides 20% additional coverage for things like energy efficiency codes. The bill also requires the Division of Insurance to release an annual report that gives estimates of what it would cost to rebuild a home based on where it's located.
Then they can feel confident that what they're being told by the insurance company is something that should allow them to rebuild if the worst happens.
The bill comes too late for Wendy Weiss, who testified in favor of it, she says, to protect the next fire victims.
It took 1,000 homes in a single event for me to come down to the state capitol. I've never been here before in my 40 years, to come down and feel compelled to say, this has got to change.
Bill's sponsors say Marshall fire victims are underinsured by $164,000 on average. Weiss and dozens of other fire victims are suing their insurers. The insurance industry does not oppose the bill, but it has concerns about the cost estimates that the Division of Insurance will release each year. Colorado would be the first state to do that. A third party would compile the report, but it's unclear who that third party would be and what would go into those estimates. The bill did pass its first committee today, but it still has a long way to go. Live at the Capitol, Sean Boyd covering Colorado First.